Hey guys, welcome to another video from Gear Kit. When it comes to mining machines, there's just one thing you gotta know. The bigger, the better. Today we'll be covering some of the most monstrous machines hauling their unimaginable loads, so stay tuned and watch the video till the end. The first, Komatsu T284AC, was developed in 2008. Since then, it has been winning hearts by giving an unbelievable performance. The truck can lift 360 tons, but it weighs only 275 tons. This is why these giant trucks are not allowed on the highways. They're transported in parts and assembled at the worksite. The top speed of the Komatsu E960 is 64 km an hour with a 3500 horsepower diesel 18-cylinder engine and an IGBT-AC electric drive system. It can run on any hard track with a gross weight of 635 tons. The Terex MT6300AC is another masterpiece made by the American manufacturer Terex in 2008. TT has 400 tons of payload capacity. The body of the truck is 7.92 meters in height and 14.63 meters in length. The vehicle is equipped with a 4-stroke diesel engine with 20 cylinders powering an AC electric alternator, which in turn supplies power to the electric motor fitted at each side of the rear axle. The rated power output of the engine is 3750 horsepower. Terex MT can move at a maximum speed of 64 km an hour. The Liebherr T284. Similar to the Terex and Komatsu dump trucks, this monster could carry 363 tons of payload. However, its gross weight is 600 tons, 30 tons less than its rivals, and the secret is hidden behind well-engineered body design. This gives the Liebherr T284 an advantage over reducing fuel consumption while transporting tons of material. The truck stands 7.5 meters high and 9.6 meters long, equipped with a 20-cylinder diesel engine with a gross power output of up to 3750 horsepower. The vehicle uses an IGBT-AC electric drive system. It can travel at a speed of 64 km an hour. The Caterpillar 797F is the second biggest mining dump truck in the world. This extremely large truck is 6.25 meters tall and 14.8 meters long and 6.5 meters wide. As compared to the other trucks, its payload capacity is 400 tons. The 979F is equipped with a 6 Michelin XDR Bridgestone VRDP radial tires and a Cat C17524 4-stroke turbocharged diesel engine. This provides the truck with 4,000 horsepower. Instead of an electric suspension system, the 797F uses a hydraulic torque converter transmission and runs at a top speed of 68 km an hour. This massive truck requires no introduction. Being the world's largest mining truck, the Bellis 75710 weighs 360 tons and is able to carry 496 tons with its massive weight. The truck is 20.6 meters long, 8.16 meters high, and 9.87 meters wide. The 75710 features 8 large-size Michelin tubeless pneumatic tires and 2 16-cylinder turbocharged diesel engines. The power output of each engine is 2300 horsepower, making a total of 4600. The vehicle uses an AC electromechanical transmission. Guys, thanks for watching our video. What do you think of these technologies? Let us know down in the comments below. If you enjoy, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to hit that notification bell to get notified when we release new content. See you in another video. Take care.